How to reset your quick panel layout on Android. This tutorial shows you how to restore your control center buttons back to their original layout on your Android device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. After that, swipe down again to fully expand the Quick Settings menu. From there, tap on the pencil or edit icon at the bottom of the panel to enter edit mode. At this point, once you're in edit mode, tap on edit again to open the quick panel button settings. In the next step, you'll see all your current quick panel buttons laid out on the screen. Following this, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on reset. Once done, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to reset all your quick panel buttons back to the default layout. From here, tap reset again to confirm your decision. And finally, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick panel and confirm that all the buttons have been restored back to their original default positions. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you reset your Quick panel layout, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.